Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is part 2 from the OAA iManage seminar series for 2019, and in this excerpt we're just looking at a bit of a demonstration of the iManage Drive product. So let's take a look. Something that's available today in an early adopter release, though it is generally available, is iManage Drive, which essentially is a new desktop application which presents a synchronized view of particular iManage workspaces and folders as a network drive on your desktop. Okay. Two main use cases. Number one allows you to interact with iManage as if it's just a drive. Okay, so you can do things like common file system activities like bulk rename and stuff like that, drag and drop, right click, add to zip. It also gives us an opportunity to synchronize content so I can use it offline easily from any application. Okay. So this is a bit different to iManage File Share, which was an online representation of your My Matters. iManage Drive is actually an agent which sits on your desktop and synchronizes particular workspaces and folders to your desktop. Okay. It's still encrypted, it's still safe, but it gives the users a much better experience, albeit without a lot of the document management features that come along with using the web interface. So I'm going to show you that. Again, this is real software. So you can see I've got my various different workspaces here. I've got my Microsoft VABC company, and I've got an agreements folder. And if I pop into my File Explorer, you'll see I've got this configured as W drive. If I drop into there, I've got a number of Matter workspaces that I've selected to synchronize. You can see it's got the little cloud icon. If I drill down into that, I've got my folders. Drill further down into that, you can see I've got those documents have been synchronized to my desktop. The little green tick indicates that they're actually on my desktop. If there's other documents which are in the system, I've got the little cloud. That means that we've just got a stub which tells us yes, there is a document in that folder, and at any time I can just right click on that and say download it onto my desktop or synchronize it with what's on the server. Should be fairly familiar sort of functionality compared to something like OneDrive for Business or Dropbox. So of course from here I can double click and open documents. It's going to open them from that W drive. So save the W drive there. You see I can make changes. Hit the save and close that. I wanted to show you some of the other operations you can do with Drive. So on the right here I've got my Drive window. On the left here I've just got a folder on my C drive. I've got all these Acme documents. I'm going to just grab them, drag them in. So they get copied to my W drive, and then you'll see down here in the background iManage Drive is going to start synchronizing those changes. Got my little synchronize options there, and then if I go take a squiz in my agreements folder, you can see all those documents are now available through the iManage work. Some other things I can do like bulk operations. I've got this bulk renaming tool from Microsoft here. I can grab those folders and those documents in my W drive that I just uploaded and say, hey, actually they're not for Acme, they're for ABC, but I don't want to have to go through and edit each one individually. So I'm going to replace Acme with ABC, apply those changes. See, that's going to go through and change all the documents on bulk. iManage Drive will pick up those changes and go ahead and sync them up to the system, and if I refresh that I should find that all those documents have changed in iManage Work 10 as well. Of course you can do
You may reference the documents that you can apply the same to emails.
I would assume so, yes. I haven't done it to be honest, but yeah, I mean emails are also available through here, so you can make changes to the files and it will synchronize those changes. Yep. So I can click and access. That one's already down. No, as I'm clicking on them, it's downloading to my desktop to getting the green tick, and then I can access them offline for sure. Then just to clean this up for myself, of course, then you can just do things like bulk select and delete. I'm just going to affect that change. And iManage Drive in the background, synchronise those changes up to the server. That's available in iManage Work 10 in the cloud and also iManage Work 10 on premises. That works either way. You do need a particular version of iManage Work server for that to operate. If anyone's interested in having a go with iManage Drive, it is an additionally licensed piece of software, but there is an early adopter program at the moment. If you just get in contact with us, we'll get you on that early adopter program and you can get access to the software to start trying it out. Appreciate you joining us for this excerpt of the series. Look forward to sharing some new products and new features with you on another video. Thanks guys, see you later.